Good morning, my dear students. I am Bhalsingh Mahesh, Principal of Pravara Medical Trust, College of Pharmacy, Shevgaon. Today, I am going to give a welcome lecture for academic year 2020-21. So, my dear friends, you all aware that due to the outbreak of coronavirus, that is COVID-19 disease, our classes for first year are suspended since 16 March 2020 by the orders of Government of Maharashtra, Director of Technical Educations and Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education. Meanwhile, our third sessional is also get cancelled. Still, we have conducted online classes for remaining syllabus of first year D Pharmacy and conducted two online tests. One of that is the MCQ test and other was the preliminary annual exam as per the MSBT annual exam pattern. Then, through circular dated 15 May 2020 by MSBT, we come to know that our first year annual exams were cancelled and student will get the marks on the basis of internal examination or sessional examination which was held earlier. This all information is already communicated with you all. In same circular, the date for commencement of classes is given as 1st August 2020 for next academic year. So, my dear students, before entering to new academic year, I would like to give a short introduction for next year, that is second year D Pharmacy. My dear students, for second year D Pharmacy, there are 6 theory subjects along with 4 practical subjects. These subjects include Pharmaceutics 2, it is having theory and practical, Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2, theory and practical, Pharmacology and Toxicology, theory and practical, Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence, only theory subject is there. Then drugstore and business management, it is also a theory subject. Then last subject for second year D Pharmacy is hospital and clinical pharmacy, which is having both theory as well as practical. My dear students, in continuation to Pharmaceutics 1, which we studied in first year D Pharmacy, in Pharmaceutics 2 we have to learn dispensing pharmacy and about some medications like powder, monophasic liquid dosage form, biphasic liquid dosage form, semi-solid dosage form, sterile dosage form. This is the syllabus, or these are the some points which are included in Pharmaceutics 2 subject. Then next subject is Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2, as it deals with organic substance which use as a drug, including their nomenclature, their general properties, storage condition, dose and use. This we have to study in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Then next subject is Pharmacology and Toxicology. Students, in first year we learn about the body system, their structure and function in human anatomy and physiology subject, and in continuation with that, in pharmacology and toxicology we have to study the various drug and their action on our body. It includes the study of pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. In next subject, that is in pharmaceutical jurisprudence, we have to study various laws, rules, regulation, sections, schedules related to the pharmaceutical product and their preparation. Also, it deal with the regulatory system and criminal justice system. Then next subject is that the drugstore business management. In this subject we have to study the commerce and account with a view that future pharmacist able to understand the trade, channels of distribution, forms of business organization, drugs house management, sales promotion, market research, along with some account part, in order to easy when he opens his own business. The next subject is that hospital and clinical pharmacy. In this subject we have to study about basics of hospital pharmacy and clinical pharmacy. So these are the 6 theory subjects along with 4 practical subjects which we have to study in next academic year. This table shows that the name of subjects along with the number of hours for per week as well as number of hours for that subject in a whole year. So my dear friends, through the academic year commencement date is given by the MSBT as 1st August 2020, we are going to conduct online video PowerPoint lectures from 1st July 2020. There are many platforms for online teaching. We can teach the online, but we are selecting the video PowerPoint option because we come to know that many students are having the connectivity issue, then lack of Android phones. So we are going to add 3 to 4 subject PowerPoint video in our official WhatsApp group, so that you can see or you can watch that video as per your convenience. The WhatsApp groups which we have already created, in some students are not using the Android phones, but they have given their parents number, their elder brother numbers, sister number, and we know that they can access their mobiles for at least 1 to 2 hours in a day. So we can choose this, so we have chosen this platform. So my dear friends, wish you a very happy learning. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.